Good morning. This is a new day. I know I told you guys that we was going to do the roof was the next project, but let me turn you around. It's stormy, rain this morning, so I can't just sit around and wait for good weather and not do anything else. So I had the dumpster dumped and emptied, so I guess we're just going to fill it up and have them come get it. So we're going to do some more demo. We're going to be doing, I guess, demo in there, finish taking out the drywall, maybe work our way down the hallway, maybe get rid of these cabinets here, maybe do some more here in the kitchen, drywall, get rid of those cabinets. Throw that stove in there. Yeah, I don't like doing demo, but gotta be done. So stay tuned. We'll put you on time lapse in whatever room we're working in, and we'll go from there.
The blackbird inside your chest that calls on you to cry. You decided it was time for him to fly out of the darkness and into the light, higher and higher out of sight. The whisper inside your heart tells you let go. Time to leave the past. You did what you knew. Slow down and rest. You've been through a war. No one can hurt you anymore. Behind closed eyes, memories unfold, hidden secrets. There's a song inside your soul, waiting to be heard. Sing it aloud, you've written every word. Oh, out of the silence and into the unknown. Louder, louder, let go. Behind closed eyes, unfold, hidden secrets, shimmering gold behind closed eyes, where the shadows.
All right, YouTube. So I did a little bit of demo. It's my favorite thing in the world to do. Let me spin you around so you can see. I did that up there on that side. I did this one over here on this side. I did up there. Okay. And then we came into the laundry room here. Get that out of that mess. I came in here and tore off all this stuff. All the way down, all the way around. I'm going to leave up this wall here. When we go in the other bathroom there, I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is going to go away. I just haven't tore it down yet. And I'll probably put the tankless hot water heater somewhere right here. I'm not sure if it has to be enclosed or not. I would have to look at the specs on installation on that. We came down this way. I tore out this section here, and then this right here was where the return for the AC and stuff was. We're gonna have the Mr. Cools, so I tore that out. And here's the wood stuff. I read somewhere that they use that for like a shear value on these older houses. So I'm kind of scared to tear it all down. I will tear some of it down, like I did in this room here on this wall. But yeah. Anyways, so we've all seen the horrific rot that this bathroom was having. This was where the shower was at. We'll pull all that out, fix all of it. This is a load-bearing wall. I've got to fix it because the floor in this room slants that way because of all that wood rot. We'll get in there and put some new, I think they're 2x10s or something like that. We'll put new ones in there and jack it up and support it. But my mess that I got going on, it's a big mess. Big mess. That's why I don't like doing demo. I don't like the mess. But that's where we're at. I'm gonna clean it all up and go from there.
It's so hard to be near you. You make it hard for me to breathe. And I can't stand to see you smile, 'cause it kills me from within. Your voice is like an arrow that pierces me through the heart. And your touch is like fire that will burn my skin. I wish that I could say what I really feel.
Alright guys, this is about as far as I'm going to be able to get. If you can see out there, the trash can's pretty much full. We did get the cabinets and the stove and stuff out of the kitchen. Let me turn you guys around so you guys can see that. So this is where the sink was, and the oven range deal, and that's all out of there. Over here where those other cabinets were at, they're gone. Got most of the stuff cleaned up. But yeah, it's getting there. Not the prettiest, but it'll do. It'll look decent. Look like it's a nice little house after it's done. But hopefully next week we'll be shooting some video about the roof, and hopefully the roof's not too jacked up. Where you guys at? Hopefully the roof's not too jacked up. But let's turn you guys around. But we do have the roof stuff there. So we still have to get the drip shield, or the drip edge, but Lowe's was out of stock, so we have to go to another town to get it at Menards. But thanks for watching, guys, and I appreciate the subscribers, and I appreciate the thumbs up and all the words of encouragement. It means a lot, especially when I'm feeling down. And overwhelmed. But tune in next week, guys. Thanks.